Hey, this came as a student question saying, hey, can you help me figure out what the right hand is doing on this little light of mine, this Cajun Zydeco style of accordion? So I'll link to the video in the description. Let's figure it out together. I had a listen. It looks interesting enough and doable enough to figure out together. So let's do it together. There are detailed notes and lessons about all my techniques about figuring stuff out on accordionlove.com with a free 3-day trial. But let's jump right to the video. It's a lot. What's happening there? It's a C major. C major is C, E, G. He's doing a voicing of it. And he's playing the G, A, landing on the E and the C together. Right? Let's listen again. Doo-doo. So he's actually doing the full octave. E, C, E, G, C. It looks like. I'm just looking at the video. So he's playing. Yeah, he's using a fuller sound. He's using the master sound of his Waltmeister. Anyways, that's what he's doing. Let's keep going. I'm listening to the left hand. Let's get the left hand out of the way. So, right? He's using an alternate bass technique, which we know. We have a lesson about that. Or, so, right? I think that's what the left hand is doing. So the beginning was. That's like a little vamp intro. The left hand started with. Right, there are different variations, but he's doing the alternate bass technique in a C major. This little light of mine, C major, ba-ba, I'm gonna let it shine. F major, ba-ba-ba-da-ba, C major, ba-ba-ba-ba-ba, I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. C, F, G, and D, and back to C. So let's see how he starts. So this is kind of, this is filling in the spaces, right? So the song is, but when that silence is there, instead of just 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Instead of the 2, 3, 4, he fills it in as though there's the rest of the band, right? So, yeah, right? Let's listen to exactly what he's doing. Boo ba ba, ba ba ba. Right, says little light of mine. Ba da ba. Do da 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 da. So. let's see what he's doing, but I'll show you what I'm doing there too. There's a pumping rhythm the entire time his thumb is doing this. Right? Right? He's also using a lot of semitones. So instead of just, he slides up to it using the F sharp, right? So if the melody is, what he's doing is, right? And instead of just doing the, we're completing the chord. We're using the other notes from the chord. So from simple to more flavorful, let's add the semitones. Let's add full chords. Let's add full chords and some that pumping thumb. That was more than one note. Let's add some of that and add some more of that instead of just, let's do, so all together. Right, instead of just semitone, complete the chord, complete the tone and add some pulsing. Add some tone and pulsing and break up that last chord. Yeah, so that's how I would practice the song. I'm going to keep listening just to see what else he does. That's kind of like what the horn section would do, right? That's the... Cool. If you remember my 3 levels of melody, there was a level 3 is when we keep our thumb and we play below, right? My pinky isn't moving. His pinky isn't moving from that G. If you look at the video, his pinky just sticks there. So can we play what we did before with our pinky stuck up here? Sure, right? Can we add that same complexity with our pinky there? I think so, right? So... Now this is just completing the chord. Right, this is my C major. When I do the F, maybe I could move instead of the G to the F. Right, I could have at the same... The note that I'm holding, as long as it's a part of the chord, will sound good. Let's see what he does. He does switch to the F, right? Now he's going to switch back to the G. With all of these things, this isn't diminishing what this person's playing. It's a wonderful chicken dance, boy. Practice, practice, practice. Eventually your fingers find those notes, right? There's a nice turnaround. Right, that turnaround again, just if you want to do it, is C major, E7 to A major or A minor. Let's do A minor, let it shine, D major, D minor to the G, to the C, Or what's that like? Yeah, that's what I would do. Lots of stuff to do with this song. That left hand, right? That's kind of what keeps it going. Yep, I just want to see how he ends it. Oh. Some C major. Oh, what's happening? F major? Right, so I'm assuming he did. He does a nice little, you could do your C major blues scale. And he's just holding that F7. Until resolving on that C or C7. I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.